everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Anam. Today, I'll tell you a short story to help you learn English. We'll learn new vocabulary, understand basic grammar, and have a quick quiz at the end. Are you ready? Let's go! The Lost Wallet. Tom is a teacher. He lives in a small town. One morning, he wakes up, takes a shower, eats breakfast, and leaves for work. On the way to school, he stops at a coffee shop. He buys a coffee and a sandwich. But when he tries to pay, he can't find his wallet. He checks his pockets. He checks his bag. No wallet! No wallet! Tom feels nervous. Where is my wallet? He asks. Then he remembers he left it at home. He runs back quickly. His cat is sitting on the wallet on the table. Tom laughs and says, "Thank you, Mr. Whiskers." He grabs the wallet and runs to school. He arrives just in time for class. 1. Nouns. Definition. Nouns are names of people, places, animals, or things. Examples from the story. Tom person, wallet thing, coffee shop place, cat animal, school place. Tip: if you can touch it, see it, or name it, it's usually a noun. 2. Pronouns. Definition. Pronouns replace nouns to avoid repetition. Examples: he, she, it, they, I, you, we. Examples from the story. Tom wakes up. He takes a shower. He equals Tom. It is on the table. It equals wallet. Tip: use pronouns to make your sentences shorter and smoother. 3. Verbs. Definition. Verbs show action or state. Examples from the story. Wakes up, takes, runs, checks, remembers, laughs. Sentence: Tom runs quickly. Runs equals verb. Tip: every sentence needs a verb. 4. Adjectives. Definition. Adjectives describe nouns' color, size, shape, feelings, etc. Examples from the story. Small town, lost wallet, nervous man, quick run. Tip: adjectives make your story interesting and detailed. 5. Adverbs. Definition. Adverbs describe verbs how, when, where, how often. Examples from the story. Quickly describes how Tom runs. Just in time tells when he arrives. Nervously could describe how he speaks. Tip: many adverbs end in ly. 6. Prepositions. Definition. Prepositions show relationships in time, place, or direction. Examples from the story. On the table, at home, to school, in his bag. Tip: prepositions usually come before a noun or pronoun. 7. Conjunctions. Definition. Conjunctions connect words or sentences. Examples: and, but, or, because, so. Examples from the story. He checks his pockets and his bag. He feels nervous, but then he remembers. Tip: use conjunctions to connect ideas. 8. Articles. Definition. Articles are words like a, an, and the used before nouns. Examples from the story. A wallet, a cat, the table. Tip: use a and an for general things. Use a for specific things. 9. Subject and predicate. Definition. Subject: who or what the sentence is about. Predicate: what the subject does or is. Example from the story. Tom's subject runs to the coffee shop. Predicate. Tip: a full sentence must have both. 10. Simple sentence structure. Formula: subject plus verb plus object. Example: Tom's subject eats, verb a sandwich, object. Let's check your understanding with a quick quiz. Ready? What did Tom forget at home? A. His lunch. B. His wallet. C. His phone. Answer: B. What is a noun in this sentence? Tom drinks coffee. Answer. Tom, coffee. What is a verb in? He runs quickly. Answer. Runs. Great job today. You listened to a story, learned new words, and practiced grammar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite new word. See you next time on Learn English with Anam.